Dissolving a limited liability company in New Jersey requires specific legal steps and tax compliance to avoid ongoing liabilities. Failing to properly dissolve your business means you'll continue to face legal requirements to file annual tax returns and other paperwork, potentially leading to penalties and complications. Before beginning the dissolution process, your LLC must be in good standing with the state. This means being current on all annual reports and tax filings. For multi-member LLCs, members must vote on the dissolution according to the operating agreement, while single-member LLCs can make this decision independently. New Jersey recognizes three primary methods of LLC dissolution. Voluntary dissolution occurs when members choose to end the business, typically requiring majority agreement. Administrative dissolution happens when the state forcibly dissolves an LLC due to non-compliance with regulations. Judicial dissolution is court-ordered, usually resulting from internal disputes, fraud, or legal violations. The formal dissolution process begins with settling all business obligations. You must satisfy all debts and liabilities, resolve any pending legal matters, transfer company property, and pay all creditors before distributing any remaining assets to members. Asset distribution follows the operating agreement guidelines, with members receiving funds based on their capital contributions. To officially dissolve your LLC, you need to file a certificate of cancellation, also known as Form L-109, with the New Jersey Division of Revenue. This form requires your company name, entity number, formation date, desired dissolution date, and reasons for dissolving. The filing fee is approximately $100 for domestic LLCs and $125 for foreign LLCs. If your LLC generates revenue, you must also submit a tax clearance request to the New Jersey Division of Taxation. Nonprofit LLCs are generally exempt from this requirement. This certificate confirms you no longer have tax obligations to the state. The winding up phase is crucial before submitting these documents. Notify all creditors about your dissolution plans and settle outstanding debts. Close business bank accounts and credit lines after resolving financial matters. Cancel any state-issued business licenses, permits, and certifications. If you have employees, provide final wages and proper notice. Inform vendors and customers about contract terminations and business closure. Tax compliance is a critical aspect of dissolution. File final federal and state tax returns, marking them as final, to notify tax authorities. For revenue-generating LLCs, obtain the tax clearance certificate mentioned earlier. If your business collected sales tax or had employees, ensure all sales and payroll tax obligations are settled. Keep all business records for at least 4 years in case of future tax inquiries. Your LLC dissolution becomes effective once the Division of Revenue approves your certificate of cancellation and receives the notice of tax clearance from the Division of Taxation. However, you remain responsible for any taxes due before the dissolution date. The entire dissolution process typically takes several weeks, though obtaining tax clearance may extend this timeline. Remember that failing to formally dissolve your LLC leaves it liable for continued taxes and annual filings, potentially resulting in penalties or administrative dissolution by the state. Properly dissolving your New Jersey LLC protects you from future liabilities and gives you clear closure on this chapter of your business journey. Following these legal steps ensures you can move forward without the burden of ongoing business obligations.